Hey friends, if Explorer.exe is not starting with Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable fast startup. How would you do that? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Okay, go to choose what the power buttons do and then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box associated with turn on fast startup and click on save changes. That's it. It will help a lot. But if that doesn't help, I mean, just restart the computer after this. It will usually help. Then disable the app readiness service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Go to standard and then right click on the app readiness service and make sure that it is stopped. Make sure that it is stopped. Stop it. Okay. The next one is okay, and other than stopping it, you can also right click on it, select properties, and disable it permanently so that it doesn't even start again. Next one is to uninstall any recently installed updates on the system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select update history, select uninstall updates, click on uninstall associated with the latest update, select uninstall and remove the update. And lastly, try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice